Students, hope you all are good. So, we are going to start our next topic of chapter number 6, the circulatory system. The topic is pulse rate. So, pulse is a rhythmic throbbing of arteries. And when arteries throbs due to the expansion of arteries, when blood flows through them with force during the contraction of heart. So, arteries have elastic muscular walls, and this throbbing is due to the distension of the arteries. And this rhythmic throbbing of arteries is called pulse. And what is pulse rate? Number of times pulse throbbing occurs in a minute. That means in 1 minute, pulse throbs. So this counting of pulse is called pulse rate, and pulse rate is direct measure of heartbeat rate. That means pulse rate is equals to heartbeat rate. That means in 1 minute our pulse throbs, number of pulse throbs, this is called pulse rate. So same as in 1 minute our heart beats, this is called our heartbeat rate. So pulse rate of normal healthy person is 72 to 80 beats per minute. Next is heartbeat. What is heartbeat? One contraction and relaxation of heart is called heartbeat. And what is heartbeat rate? As I have already told you that pulse rate is equals to heartbeat rate. So number of heartbeats in 1 minute, that is called heartbeat rate. So heartbeat of normal person is 72 to 80 beats per minute. Next is listen to your heart. So students, doctors use various methods to check your heart, to listen your heartbeat. So they use stethoscope is commonly used to hear your heartbeat. So stethoscope is commonly used to hear your heartbeat. So in your book, there is a diagram of stethoscope. So students, please try to make this diagram and also learn its labeling. So next is blood groups. So there are 4 blood groups: A, B, AB and O. A and B are called antigens that is present on the surface of RBCs. That means red blood cells. And person with blood group A has A antigen, and blood group B has B antigen, and person with blood group AB has both antigen A and B, and the person with blood group O has no antigens. Next is matching of blood groups. So students, it is very important to match the blood group of the donor with the blood group of patient or recipients. So who is donor? Donor, the person who gives the blood; recipient, the person who receives the blood. So AB is a universal acceptor. That means it accepts bloods from all blood groups. And O is a universal donor. That means O gives or donates blood to all blood groups. Next is blood transfusion. So students, what is blood transfusion? When blood from a donor is transferred into the patient's body, that is called the blood transfusion. Sometimes in many situations during the surgery or accidents, so when there is excessive loss of blood, so that the patient needs blood donated by another person. So when the blood from the donor is transfused into the patient's blood, so this is called the blood transfusion. So blood group should be matched with the blood group of patients during the blood transfusion. So thank you students. Now our chapter is completed. So in pink box or green box, there are some topics. Please read these topics. This is your homework. Thank you students.